Hi there, I'm Justine Woolcott, General Manager with the Woolcott Team. Today I want to talk to you about the state of the Hamilton-Burlington real estate market and some predictions we have for 2020. Now, let's take a quick look back at what happened in the Hamilton-Burlington real estate market in Q1 and in March. So Q1 2020 was one of the hottest real estate markets hands down that we've seen in years. And yes, that includes Q1 2017. We had multiple offers, multiple homes that ended up being the highest price in the area, the city, just craziness, truly. And that was because it was a seller's market. There was no inventory and just so many buyers looking to purchase. March, for example, March 2020, a number of the markets we serve, including Burlington, Waterdown, Dundas, and Hamilton, all these areas saw double-digit price increases year over year in average sale price, which is just crazy. Near the end of March, we did start to see a cooling off as consumers started to adjust to the new reality of physical distancing during the time of COVID-19. This is where we all started to settle into, no showings, no open houses, doing everything virtually, especially in the real estate market. A number of buyers and sellers cooled off as we settled in and followed government regulations. Now, this is unprecedented times, and for us to make predictions based on just the very little data that we have right now would frankly be irresponsible. But what we can look to is the 2008 financial meltdown, just because there were similar patterns, and it might give us some insights as to what is going to be happening in the future. So in 2008, for those that don't remember, we saw prices really start to increase, and as the pandemic, the economic meltdown hit, we saw a sharp decline of 20%. And then again, once we saw that market stabilize, after the financial market stabilized, we saw a big upshoot in values relatively quickly, even surpassing the home sale prices pre-meltdown. So really quite a sharp increase. That seems to be the model that we can look at for what's happening now, just because similar kind of rapid onset and rapid price decrease. So what we're anticipating is, yes, a drop in home prices over the next few months as home sales slow down. Right now there are really only serious home buyers and sellers in the market. But once things start to stabilize and we can come out of physical distancing, because the market was so hot in Q1 2020, there's still buyers and sellers and pent-up demand. They just had to put a press on pause on things for right now. So again, we're anticipating we're going to see that V and a sharp increase kind of in Q3, Q4 as things settle down. And those timelines are just based on what we've been given from the Canadian government, obviously subject to change as things develop within the country. Now, real estate is personal, so if you do have any questions relating to you personally as a homeowner or as a home buyer, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at 905-332-9223, and one of our teammates would be more than happy to sit down and talk with you on a Google Hangout, a Zoom call, whichever method works best for you, to talk about your home and your needs in this unprecedented times. Thank you so much, and stay safe.